Welcome to this video tutorial on quarter 6 for the simulation. You should start with brand. Almost always go to brand first. Under brand, we have our new R&D. I have 3 items. I picked 3 that work on all the bikes, so I'm going to put them on all the bikes. If you pick different ones, like super traction, then it would just go on the mountain bike. As you can see, it's for mountain rugged. Now, also in quarter 6, I'm going to buy everything that I can afford. So you want to get as many R&Ds as you can afford. And I'm doing okay, so I can afford most of it. But I'm going to avoid the bike computer and the phone charger. They're not as critical to get a 100-point brand score, and the computer is a little bit expensive. And I'm going to see if I have enough money, and I did. I'm still green. I might buy those others, but let's check it out. If I hit modify and I try to buy it, I get yellow. So yellow is okay. I could do it, but I think I'll skip it. Okay. Next, I got to go to design my brand because now I have those 3 items on every brand. So I have to put them on all the bikes. So every bike I got to change. Mountain, same thing. I have these 3. Again, if you have a item that only works on one for 2 bikes, then it's different than what I'm doing. But I'm putting these 3 items on these bikes. And also, you want to make sure that you don't have any other changes. You go to Brand Judge and make sure you're at the top. Roadies Bikes, top score, Roadies Bikes, top score, Roadies Bikes, top score, and I'm tied for top. So all I'm doing is changing each bike and putting in just the R&D items. I don't have to change anything else because they're all top scores. If I wasn't top score, I'd make other changes. I think I confused already. So now I got left as rec, and in rec, oops, 3, puncture again, decals. All right, so that's my R&D, and my brand design and my R&D improvements on my brand designs. Now, here I'm going to check use price and work price and see if the competitors went lower, but I'm not going to bother checking the competitor's price on speed, mountain work. In fact, I'm going to increase my speed and mountain price by $25 because I have the enriched carbon fiber now. So I'm going a little higher on those. Let's go. 25. That's 25. And then I have to check the competitors' prices for youth and make sure no one's undercutting me. And so I look at it and I say youth is, well, people are 649. I'm 650, so I'm going to go 648. Now, if somebody's super low, like $500, I don't match that. Okay. All right, and then you go back. It's still linked up. You can now scroll to the next one, and let's see, we have a 500 here. I don't know if I'm going to match that, but I am going to beat this 549. So I'm going to go 548 for here, 548. Okay, and then the last one is there's a 600, so I'm going to go 599. Okay, and save. And then I repeat that process for work, but I don't need to do it for speed mountain. Now in advertising, we have to change our ads because now we have R&D items. And for speed, if you got the enriched, you can go with this top speed here, which is really good. And also they like the decals, so I'm going to put that in there, decals. And I'm going to put my brand and at the bottom. And I'm going to get rid of, and now I can go world service. Okay, so don't remember that for speed amount, you want world service. And I'm going to get rid of these two. Okay, and now speed add is done. And I'm going to do this for each one. For mountain, to modify in this one, I'm going to put enriched. And maybe that's all I'm going to do for it. And I'm going to get rid of the feature. And going youth, I'm going to put in all three editions. Enriched, puncture resistant, and decals. Okay. Okay. And work, I'm going to put in puncture resistant so they don't get flat on work, and enriched, which goes at top, puncture resistant here, and I'm going to get rid of carry stuff. It's hard to say, but yeah, that's what I'm going for. And rack, modify, I'm putting in pump enriched, and I don't know, yeah, I guess puncture resistant. And enriched to the top, and let's get rid of carry stuff here too. So that one's done now. All my ads. Now to local media, if I have any new stores, I gotta beef them up. I have 3 new stores. I had 9 before. Same thing. We look at market potential and we fill it in. Portland is really good with mountain speed rec. New York is good with everything. A little bit low on youth. Amsterdam is really good with youth and work. A little bit low on mountain speed. So mountain speed a little bit low. Let's go about 5 here, and I'm even lower store. Youth 7 and work 9 and rec 9 in New York 9 and 9 and 4. Sorry about that. The marketers and New York is excellent on mountain and best in the game at speed. And Portland was good there. Investigating mountain, but not too good on youth. And work, not too good also. And rec, pretty good. Okay, so my local is now done. Next, I gotta go to regional media. I didn't have any regional media in North America this week before because I didn't have 4 stores. I have 4 stores in all the others. So same kind of pattern. I go for Biking Magazine, as we discussed before. And the last quarter, how to do regional. Okay, and mountain and speed. These magazines. Let's go 3. Use like those. Works like this one a little bit. This one a little bit. These are our favorites. And rec just likes these 2. And done. And you should be spending about 1.1, 1.2 million here at 1.1, so it's pretty good. Now we go to internet. And internet changed. We now have to place a price on the internet. It's not like a default in 1,000 there anymore. So you can spend more, and I suggest you max it out. All of them. Okay? Because it is helpful. All right, done. And next. Social media, we now have an additional curve, and we have to read it. And then blue curve now just doesn't really go down. It keeps going up, so I'm going to max it out. It says I can go to 15,000. And my orange curve, it really goes up fast, but kind of tapers off around 14. So I'm going to put 14 here. Even though the orange is better than the blue, the slopes are a little different. And here I'm going to go to 15 again, and it seems like I'm going to go to 12. And this I'm going to 14 if it lets me, if it does. And so the 12 here. And, oops. 14, and that's good. Okay, all right. In my ad claims, I got one ad error for service because maybe I have to change my. Yes, I have to put in service people. Okay. And just like we did, we look at our potential, market potential, like we did for local media. And Amsterdam is good when used and work best in game, good in rec, low in mountain and speed, where the work is best at speed and building mountain and not that great there. And then we're going to spread out the rest. It looks kind of good to everything. We just don't have enough salespeople. And we're going to put a 5 for important invest in mountain. And just because I'm working things are lousy for them. And so I put bonus there. And that does it. That's all of our new Salesforce. We don't have any stores to open. We leave them all open. We say we're going to go like 20% better. Distribute done. And finance. We should be doing also. Says we make 5 million. And in our budget, we still have 2 million left. So, and I think that's it. We did everything. Modified ads, local media, regional media, internet. Yes. That's it. And I hope you enjoyed this video.